Hi everyone, welcome to Cat Kings and Matt Daily. This is Anisha here. I think not a very happy video for quite a few of you guys, but a very happy one for some of you guys. People who are wondering कि ये हो क्या रहा है, NMAT के scores रोज किसी ना किसी के cancel होते जा रहे हैं. अभी there were news like even a lot of students have got emails since yesterday where because of verbal section 3 minutes being reduced, they have to give the entire exam again. Now, for all the people who scored less than 235, this is your golden opportunity to maximize your scores once again, or people who were struggling in one sectional cutoff, you to maximize your scores. So take it as a last chance for you guys to make it to anonymous and given the free attempt. Now, what is the process to schedule the free attempt? You guys have to make sure you drop an email to NMAT, the same email which you have got in response to it. Two options you have. One, you want to schedule the free attempt. Send them that, then they will send you the steps so that when you schedule the exam, it will be considered as your main attempt and not the free attempt. Sorry, and not the retake. ठीक है? So free attempt मतलब हमारा first consider होना चाहिए, वरना फायदा नहीं है. If that goes as your second attempt, NMIMS will not accept it. So don't take anything assumption कि अरे यार हो जाएगा. Everything should be taken legit over an email. Okay, a lot of students who had raised issues for logical reasoning questions being incorrect, if you guys remember last time I did that video that some students faced issues, their scores have changed. Some have got an increment of 1 mark, some have got an increment of 2 or 3 marks based on what kind of question had a difficulty or an error into it. Okay, for all the people who do not wish to take the free attempt, like तुम्हारा score जैसा भी था, भले टाइम कम था, अच्छा है, सॉर्टेड है, लाइक कुछ स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिनका 250 स्कोर आ चुका है ऑलरेडी, सब सेक्शन में 80 के ऊपर है, then why take the risk of giving it again? Obviously you should not, right? Then you have to email back that no, I do not want a free attempt, I hold on to my score. So you hold on to your score, ईमेल करो, उसके बाद अपना स्कोर कार्ड भी जाके चेक करना कि ये स्कोर कार्ड है वैलिड. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि तुमने मेल भी नहीं किया, कुछ हुआ नहीं, 1 महीने बाद तुम्हारे अटेम्प्ट स्कोर कार्ड में कुछ नहीं आ रहा है. ऑलराइट, सो डू नॉट डू एनी सच ब्लंडर्स विद योरसेल्फ. If you want a reattempt, email them that, take the steps, schedule the date at the earliest. First come first basis पे है slots, जब मिल रहे हैं slots आप ले लीजिए. If you want to hold on to that score, then write there that I hold on to this score and sustain that. For all of you guys who want to hold your scores, who have good scores of a 230 plus, start with your CDPI preparation. CAT khatam hote hi, you should be glued onto your profile aspects of interview preparation, SOP writing, because we will get 4 to 5 days. Once once the shortlist is announced and interview is scheduled, 5 दिन में तुम्हें SOP submit करना पड़ेगा. तो उतना टाइम क्रंच में आप नहीं कर पाओगे. So let's make sure we do not wait till the end. Start at the earliest. People who are not writing CAT या CAT सिर्फ experience के लिए लिखने जा रहे हो, अभी से start कर दो for CDPI. You have tons of sample SOPs to refer and build your entire own SOP and personal interview preparation. All right. Now for all of the guys who are scheduling your slots again, मेहनत करो अच्छे से, give mock tests, take at least 3 to 4 mock tests, check out the Cat Kings NMAT mocks. I have reduced the price for that as well for all of you guys. Okay, a lot of students have been struggling with NMAT tests going wrong, scores being invalid, and all of those things. A lot of students who are getting in the scores in the range of a 160 to let's say 190, go for a reattempt. See, XIMB is still accepting the second attempt. You have a lot of other colleges, like we have SDA Bokuni in Mumbai, there is Watson University in Hyderabad, there are a lot of other colleges in North India. If you look, there's so many NMAT accepting colleges like a BML, Munjal, Jindal, Bennett, all of these who are accepting your NMAT scores. South India mein jao to wahan pe bhi colleges hain. There is VIT, there is JAXOM, there is Alliance, there's ISBR. There's so many colleges. There's Amity, which is across IBS across India. अपना स्कोर मैक्सिमाइज करो. ये कॉलेज में किस कॉलेज में जाना है, किस में नहीं जाना है, वी विल डिसाइड जनवरी में जब हमारे पास सारे रिजल्ट्स आ जाए. उसके बाद फेब में इंटरव्यूज देंगे, सब फाइनल कन्वर्ट्स हाथ में हो जाए, देन वी विल चूज व्हिच वंस टू टेक, व्हिच नॉट टू टेक. Right now, just focus on maximizing your scores, because the best part is the higher your scores, the more chances of you converting an interview, because overall some weightage definitely exists to your NMAT scores, right? So let's target on doing that. Retake, guys, your target is XIMB plus all the other colleges. First attempt, guys, your target is NMIMS only. You never know if tomorrow for the new programs like the digital transformation and all of them, they announce that we will accept best of 2, best of 3 scores. So if you guys are still lying in that range of 200, you can give it another shot, because 200 210 वाला स्कोर कहीं जा नहीं रहा है, राइट? उससे सेकंड हायर आ गया तो अच्छी बात है, वरना फर्स्ट वाला कंसीडर तो होने ही वाला है. ऑलराइट, so let's make sure we guys do that for sure. All right, stay tuned to the channel. Any new updates, any progress on NMAT exams attempts being accepted, not accepted, any struggles people facing, I will help you guys on the same as well. If there's some other problem you guys are having with respect to NMAT, drop in the comments, I will take that up for you. Bye bye, take care.